Well, my morning started off pretty interesting. Smashed in the back of the dump truck parked here at the complex. Glass all the way up here. Pretty good one. Well, my morning got real interesting. Walked downstairs to someone slammed in the back of the dump truck parked out on the street. Cops came and made a report and everything like that, and they said I was perfectly legal to park there on the street. The guy said his sun was in his eyes, which I agree with. It definitely was. You can see I'm headed in the sun right now, and it's pretty bright. And I was a bit of a dick to him at first. I called him an idiot, which I still think he is. But, you know, dude just lost his car. I sure didn't make it any worse. Need to make it any worse, but it's what happens when you fly down streets like that, especially going into the sun, not expecting something to be there, and bam, there's something there. But cop said, no, you're definitely all right. I could be there on that street. Everything was perfectly legal how I was parked. I was up against a curb. He didn't shift the truck forward. He did a little bit of damage to the apron, knocked the mud flap off of it. Didn't even do damage to the tire or nothing. He really didn't hit it too terribly hard. I want to bet he's doing in the 20 mile an hour range, 30 mile an hour range. But the dude don't have money. He had insurance, but not very good insurance. Whether or not it's actually lapsed or not, we'll have to see. So whether or not we end up doing anything for it, I don't think the dump truck's hurt enough to try and get them to fix it or something like that. But, you know, he lost his car, you don't have money to even tow it. Like, bad lesson to learn. So I feel bad for him, and I don't think he's an idiot, but at the same time, you know, shit does happen. So headed to go get a load of 3/4 clean to take it to the plant, and then we will see how the day starts to develop. I'm not too far away. I'm over here at one of the intersections, headed over to the mine. It's called a quarry. I don't know why I keep calling it a mine, but whatever. In California, everyone seems to call it a mine. A mine's technically underground. A quarry is rock and is technically above ground, but, you know, it is what it is. I'm not from here. I call it a mine. But we'll see how this debate develops after this excitement. But luckily enough, I didn't need to be over the plant super early in the morning, so it kind of just, it is what it is. Well, I was in the red dump truck, which is right there. Now I'm in the granite. He doesn't need the rock in the plant just yet, so so he's having me switch to go haul material into, I believe it's called a splash car wash. It's a car wash. I don't remember exactly the name of it, but it's new going in, so I'm gonna go run over there, see what rock they need, then go haul for them for a little bit, then probably get back in that red dump truck and head to the plant. So already an interesting morning. Probably end up being in this truck, the end dump, and the red dump truck before the day's out. My poor truck's just sitting over there up on top of the hill, waiting for me to come back to it. Well, this is a new one. Fill dirt. They sell fill dirt here at Duffields. Just junk overburden. And this is the entrance. This road right here is the entrance. You turn to go into the stacks, which are, you know, back that way. Driven by it 100 times. There's weeds and stuff growing in it. I didn't think there was nothing, but yeah, it's new to me. Let's take it back over the car wash. He said it'd be slow going today, so I might have an easy day. Be able to actually eat my lunch for a change. Well, this thing's not tied down properly at all. One chain directly across the hitch, one on the bucket, and nothing on the baler. It's not safe at all. I wish people would just take more time tying it down properly. 4 independent chains on the tractor, and you have to have 2 independent chain downs on the baler. I'm over here at the Splash car wash, and I'm delivering this dirt to them. So I'm giving them a minute to kind of get situated, pick that pile up, see where they want me to dump this one. So they said it was going to be a little bit slow going, so I kind of just got to hang out a little bit and wait. They're slowly scooping it, the last bit of the pile that's around the corner, and then walking it all the way around the corner and dumping it into here to fill this area back in, which I would assume would be grass eventually. But that's a 308. It's the largest mini you can get with a blade. Yeah, I think that's right. I don't think a 310 comes with a blade. I think a 308's it. So, just hanging out, waiting, eating my lunch, watching stuff on Facebook. Well, finished the Splash car wash job. Now I'm a little bit south of Dover. This is the Sonic coming up to. Headed to go load what sounds like muck. It's wet and sticky. They said they're digging it out of a pond or something like that. Not sure what, but we're just hauling it back down to, I think they're building like rental units for businesses. So they kind of look like extremely large storage units, or like, I don't even know what you would call them. They're just a whole bunch of bays, a good size of it, and you can rent one and start like a heating and air business or a mechanic business or something in it. So we're just hauling fill dirt in for them to bring up what I would just gonna assume is the parking lot. It's hard to tell when the buildings aren't built yet, but they're insulated and heated. I do know that, because they have a couple of them completed, and then they have half completed, and then just pads and then stuff that's staked out. So it's going to be a pretty large area. So we're just moving dirt there. Nothing too terribly special. I left my sunglasses in my pickup truck, and these are my spare cheap middle of the mall sunglasses that you can get for 20 bucks. So I just got them on for the rest of the day. So I had that started out with an interesting morning, and now switched into this truck and ran some loads of fill dirt, and now we're gonna go get what I want to call muck and bring it back down to this job and just start laying it out. Nobody's around, nobody's on the dozer or nothing like that. I guess we're just stacking and leaving. So I guess we'll just have to see how it goes. It's just dirt, so just kind of drop it wherever and they can move it with the dozer. But I'm sure we're going to stack up all kinds of loads. But almost to Dover. Very beautiful this time of year. 92 degrees, nice and hot. Gonna cool down next week, down in the mid 80s, and man, that's gonna be perfect fishing weather. I hate fishing when it's over 90 degrees. It's just hot and muggy right on the lake there. So it'd be nice to things cool off. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Might even get to load myself, but we'll have to see. Well, that house is a piece of crap, right?
Yep. It was.
Walked in, walked right back out. Soft floors, water damage, smelled like mold. I thought that was mold, or was it just water?
That was mold.
It was mold. Just total piece of crap. Just nope. Nothing about that. 87 grand for something that should be going for 20 grand. Yeah, nope. Junk. So, total bust.
Yeah.
So we just got back home. We're in the truck. I was going to take some video of it, but I didn't feel like it was very appropriate to be taking a video of somebody else's house, especially a house on the market, and then totally trash it because it's a piece of shit.
Yeah.
So we just skipped all of it, and I didn't want to put the realtor in it and all that kind of stuff. We just left it alone and just said, this isn't the house for us. Thanks anyways. And got in the truck and left. I think we were there, what, 6 minutes? If that.
10.
Just the hell with it. So go upstairs. We already ate dinner. Do some computer work.
Go for a walk.
Did I say computer work wrong? Computer work. Computer work. Do some computer work. Go to bed. Wash, repeat. Tomorrow.
Yep.
Probably should take a shower tonight. I took a shower last night, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I should probably take another shower tonight. I keep forgetting if I take a shower in the morning and then I take a shower at night. It's a little wasteful. But I'm pretty sure I took it last night, so then I gotta take one tonight.
Yeah. Because of the snake.
Yep. The fake snake that I said was crawling through the drain. And then she's had the drain closed ever since then because she thought there was a snake in the plumbing. And we live on the second floor of an apartment complex.
Snakes can climb.
Up pipes that have water in it? No, not really.
Cockroaches can, though.
Well, yeah, cockroaches can. But those were wood cockroaches from the new wood chips that they brought into this apartment complex. They weren't inside cockroaches, they were wood cockroaches. So I think one of the cockroaches hitchhiked on the dogs or like on my pants or something like that. It was a giant cockroach and they're like, no, that's not a house cockroach. Those ones eat wood. And they've had a big problem once they brought all this red bark in. We're kind of infested with it. So they've been trying to kill them all off. But either way, go upstairs, do some stuff, go to bed. See you guys tomorrow.